Welcome once again to the class. In today's class, what we are going to say is exercise 1.5, and which all consisting of examples which are being related to the certs. Okay. So screen ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we are going to see is we are going to have complete exercise of exercise 1.5. So anyone read the first main question?
Can I read?
Classify the following numbers as a rational or an irrational.
So what does it mean? Classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational means what do you mean by that?
Those numbers are rational or irrational, sir.
We have to tell that whether these numbers are rational or irrational. So the first question is 2 minus root 5. Is it a rational or irrational? Which kind of a
Irrational.
number it is? Why it will
Irrational.
be
Irrational.
okay? Agree.
But
Agree.
rational number minus
Why?
irrational number is equal to irrational
Why it
number.
is irrational? Agree?
Sir, because operation
Rational number
sub-
minus irrational number, sir, is equal to irrational numbers.
When we have
Irrational
an
numbers.
operation between, okay, when we have an operation between a rational and irrational, the result is always
Irrational.
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 so it is irrational number. Now the second example, what is that? 3 plus root of 23 minus root of 23. Which kind of a number it is?
Rational.
Rational.
Rational,
Why
sir.
it will be, why it will be
Sir,
rational?
in the bracket,
Sir,
sir, there is rational and irrational number, sir. Then the
Okay.
answer will get irrational, sir. And after the
Mhm.
bracket completing irrational number minus irrational number, sir, then we get rational number, sir.
See, here we need to have some simplification. After the simplification, we can tell that whether it is a rational or irrational. See, what we have to do is just open the bracket. What you get? You get 3 plus root of 23 minus root of 23. What are going to be cancelled here? Plus root of
Plus
23
root
minus root of
23 and
23
minus root.
cancelled. What is your answer? What is your answer?
3.
What is that 3? What is that 3?
Rational number.
So it is
Rational
a
number.
it is a rational number. Okay, okay. So hope you got this. Is it ತಿಳಿದದ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Third question. 2 into root 7 divided by 7 into root 7. Which kind of a number it will be?
Rational number.
ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ? Which kind of a number it will be? How can you say that it is a rational number?
When we simplify, sir, the answer will be 2 by 7.
When you simplify, what happens here? Root 7 and root 7 get cancelled, and you are left by 2 by 7. And 2 by 7 is which kind of number?
Rational number.
Rational number, sir.
Rational number.
Rational.
Okay, is it ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತಲ್ರಿ ಮೂರನೇದು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes.
fourth one, 1 by root of 2. Which kind of a number it is? Is it a rational or
Irrational
irrational?
number, sir. Irrational number. Irrational number, sir.
Agree. Why it is a irrational number? Why it is irrational number?
Operation between rational and irrational
Yes.
is always irrational.
So when there is operation between rational and irrational, the result is always a irrational number. So it is irrational number. Now, the fifth example, that is 2 pi. Which kind of a number it is?
Irrational,
Maybe
sir.
rational or irrational.
Irrational number.
Now listen to me. One,
Sir, it
okay,
may be
any
rational or
one.
irrational.
Okay, I got it. Now what you need to do is any one of you have to tell that why it is a irrational number. You need to give the reason for that. Any operator here? Yes.
Going on.
What? It's going on.
Sir, Sir, when there is a multiplication between a rational and irrational, it may give us rational or irrational, sir.
Wrong. That what he has told is wrong. What he says that when there is operation between rational and irrational, what he says that it may be rational or irrational. Totally wrong. Anybody else?
Sir, sir,
See?
can I, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, pi is a irrational number, sir.
What I needed is I needed this thing. Pi is a rational number. 2 is a
2 is the rational number, sir. When we
when there is the
operation between irrational number and rational number, sir, we get a irrational
so
number, sir.
so one of the student was telling that when it is a rational and irrational, you may get rational and irrational. It's not true. When there is operation between a irrational number and irrational number, then you can have either rational or irrational. So here the result is irrational number. What is that?
Irrational number.
Irrational number. Okay, now see, we shall see the second question. Simplify each of the following expression. So already we have learned how to add and multiply the surds. So here simplify means we have to reduce to the simplest form. And the first question is into bracket of 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Shall we start that question now? In the second main, you have got the first question, that is 3 plus of root 3 into 2 plus of root 2. So we are going to solve this example. We need to multiply here. It is nothing but a binomial to binomial multiplication. When there is a multiplication of a binomial to binomial, so what you are going to have now? How you are going to simplify this?
Simplify the bracket first, sir. 3 bracket.
So how you leave
Three
it?
root
Just
of-
I'm going to tell you. Okay, leave it now. So what you need to do is take the first term of the first binomial, that is 3, and just multiply the entire second binomial, that is 2 plus of root 2. What I have did, just I have taken the first term of a binomial and I have multiplied by entire second binomial. Again, what you need to do is take the second term of the first binomial, that is root of 3, and multiply 2 plus of root 2. Yes, whether this step is clear, whether this step is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we have to do is okay, what you have to do now, just multiply 3 into 2. How much you get?
6.
6. Then okay, now when there is a, listen to me now, when there is a multiplication of a number, a rational to a irrational, it means third, there you need to multiply by its coefficient. You should not multiply it to its order or radicand. Where you have to multiply, you have to multiply to its coefficient. So what is the coefficient of this third? What is the coefficient?
One.
3 ones are 3 ones are how much you are going to get? 3. So you get 3 root 2. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to continue now. See, now you have to multiply root 3 to 2 plus root 2. So here also, exactly. So you get 2 root of 3. Then what about next one? Root 3 into root 2.
Root 6.
2 into root 6. 2 into
Root 6 you are going to get. Root 6 you are going to get. Whether I can do any simplification in next part, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು simplification ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ನೋ ಅಂತವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ?
Sir, we
Because
can
there is no like terms, sir.
Very good. Since we don't have any like terms, we can't have any kind of a simplification further. It's the last step. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So what is the second example? That is 3 plus of root 3 into 3 minus root 3. How does it looks to you? 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. How does it looks to you? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತದೆ? Which identity? Okay, listen to me what I'm asking.
ಈ bracket
B minus A minus B.
Very good, very good. It is has same as the identity, that is A plus B into A minus B. So there I can use A plus B into A minus B is what? What do you going to get? A
A
plus B into
square
A minus
minus
B
B
is
square.
B square. B square.
A square minus B
B
square.
square you are going to get. So Apigola,
Yes, sir.
if you are interested, I am going to solve by the thing we have learned in the first method, or else I am going to use the identity. ಯಾವ method ಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
Identity, sir.
Identity, sir.
Identity method.
Identity. Okay. So if I have to use identity means just write the identity first. A plus B into bracket of A minus B. What is your result? That is A square minus B square.
Plus B square.
So what is your A here? A another.
3, sir.
3.
What is B? What is B?
3 square.
Root 3, sir.
Root 3.
Now, just write
3 square
plus
minus
root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is equal to A square minus B square means your A is 3. Just write 3 square minus B is how much? Root 3. Root of 3 whole square. 3 square is how much you are going to get? 3 square.
9, sir.
3 minus. What we are going to get? Root 3 into root 3. Let me see who is going to root 3 into root 3.
Square and root cancel.
Root 5 into root 5.
3, sir.
Root 5 into root 5.
5.
Root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6.
6.
Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7. Similarly, root 3 into root 3 is
3.
3, sir.
you are going to get 3. 9 minus 6 is how much? 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. Whether you have understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'm going to solve this third one, and this you are going to do at home. Again, it is the form of A plus B into A minus B, that is fourth one. So just see what we have got in the third example, that is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. What is that question? Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. How does it look to which identity? Similar to which identity?
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square. So what is A plus B whole square?
A square plus 2AB plus
Okay, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, what is your A here? A ಎಷ್ಟದ?
root 5.
B is root 2.
Root 2, sir.
Now just fill those are values in A and B. Or else you can say that substituting the value of A and B in that identity, that is root of 5 plus root of 2 whole square is equal to A, you have got root 5. So root of 5 whole square plus B square means root 2 whole square plus 2 into A is root 5. B is root 2. Now root 5 into root 5. Why we are saying that is root 5 to root 5? Why? Because it is square, right? When we are doing the square means we are multiplying the thing by 2 times. So 5 to 5 is
5, sir.
what is root 5 to root 5?
5.
5.
5.
Root 5 into root 2. So what is the product of this thing? Root 5 to root 5 into root 2. What is the result?
2 root 10.
Very good. 2 root of 10.
10.
See what the students they do, they will add these all three things. Should not be added, this should not be added. Why? Because it is combined with what is nothing but a product with the sir. So we should not add to that thing. So here we can add only two rational numbers, that is 5
see,
and 2.
he may ಅದು ಕರಿ ಮರಿ ಮುಂದೆ
Hey, somebody has asked something. What is that?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದ್ದು
ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. 5 plus 2 is you are going to get 7 plus 2 root of, this is your answer. Whether we can do further simplification?
No, sir.
Okay. So is there any doubts in this part?
No, sir.
Okay, now see, you have got the third question. Anybody read the third question? ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಓದ್ರಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. If you are unable to see that properly, make zoom of your screen.
Find the ratio of circumference C of circle to its diameter.
ಮುಂದೆ. Is it over?
Say D, that is 5 is equal to C divided by D. This seems to contradict.
The fact that pi is
of
irrational.
that
Pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? So what is the meaning of this question? Already we have discussed in the earlier classes when I have been telling you about the complete information about the pi. I have discussed about this thing. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ already discussion ಮಾಡಿದಿನ್ರಿ ನಾನು. So ಇನ್ನೇ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. Here what he says that recall pi is defined as a ratio of a circumference of a circle to its diameter. So that is nothing but pi is equal to small c by small d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. So what we say that pi is irrational, but we are able to write in the form of p by q, that is nothing but c by d. So how can you resolve this contradiction? What he is asking to you. So what is your answer? Already I have discussed in the lower class, previous classes. Anyone? ಕೇಳಾತಿಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗ?
Yes, sir. We never get exact answer, sir. So pi is rational.
No.
C and D are irrational numbers, sir.
No.
Sir, C and D are two rational numbers, sir. But when we divide C divided by D, we always get irrational numbers, sir. If we want, we can get only approximately rational numbers, sir.
No. Tell me once again.
Sir, here pi is equal to the ratio of C and D, sir.
Okay.
Which are rational numbers, but when we do operation between them,
those are not a rational number.
Sir,
Both are not a rational number. If they both were a rational number, the result would have been a rational number. That is not the specific reason what you are telling. It's wrong.
sir, when we
Everything what
divide
I have
C
told in
and
the
D,
class has been forgotten to you. So this shows that how much working you are.
Sir,
Yes.
can I?
sir,
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Sir, when C divided by sir C ಮತ್ತೆ D ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು C ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ C ಮತ್ತೆ D ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನ್ರಿ?
ಸಿಂಧುಜಾ ಸರ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಂಧುಜಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಿಂಧುಜಾ ರಾಮುಡಿಗೆ.
Yes sir.
Yes, very good ಅಪ್ಪಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಪೂರಾ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪಿ ಅದು. ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
ಸರ್ C ಮತ್ತೆ D ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್.
That is the reason why we call that pi is irrational. This is the reason, okay? And rest of all, I don't know what you are doing at home. Already we have discussed in the last classes. You can see by opening the videos which I have discussed on pi. So here, either the circumference or the diameter. See, try to understand me. What I'm saying that here, when you say that pi is equal to circumference by diameter, Yeah, either the circumference or the diameter among one, there is a irrational and other is a rational. And when there is operation between a rational and irrational, always the result is irrational. So this is the reason why we say that pi is a irrational number. Krita?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone boys? I need the same answer from any boy. ಇನ್ನೇಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪೋ.
Sir, in the question,
Meter is irrational number. Operation between rational and irrational number is always irrational number.
ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ? ಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ ಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ?
C or D, sir?
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನ್ರಿ?
Aftab Didimani.
ಹಾ,
Aftab Didimani.
ಅಶ್ಫಾಕ್, ನೀವು ಎರಡು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲೇ? ನೀವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
No, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಅದು?
No, sir. Pritam, sir.
Pritam, sir. I, sir.
Pritam.
ಯಾರ್ರಿ? ಪ್ರೀತಮ್.
Pritam,
Okay.
sir. I,
So I hope now it is clear to you.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so this have been already discussed. You are going to write on your own. Now see that fourth question. What is the rational represent root of 9.3 on a number line? Whether we have discussed this thing or not. Represent root of 9.3 on a number line.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Discussion ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that you will do at homework ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೀವು already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, before going to the fifth main, we need to learn few basic things, and that thing we are going to learn now, that is rationalization. What is the thing what we have to learn now?
Rationalization.
Okay, what is meant by rationalization? It's very simple. Conversion
Simplifying
of
any
ಮತ್ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ನಡುವ, ಯಾರದು?
sir, simplifying
that?
any number. Pritam, sir.
No, don't talk in between now. Okay, just have started the topic. There is no need to have any conversation now. So rationalization means, converting the irrational number to the rational number is nothing but rationalization. I am repeating once again. The process of conversion of a irrational number by multiplying any factor, then what it becomes, it is converted into a rational number. That is nothing but a rationalization. That is the process of converting a irrational number by multiplying a certain factor to it. That is nothing but a rationalization. So yen martivi, just I am going to give an example now. Suppose if there is this is an irrational number. Okay, I am going to have a multiplication by some another number. Okay, let me take b is another number. So when you multiply one factor, I'm going to call it as a factor. So there is a irrational number and we are multiplying by another factor, where that result will be, suppose if it is c, and that will be a rational number. So this is nothing but a rationalization. The process of multiplying a factor to an irrational number to convert in a rational number is nothing but a rationalization. ಹೇಳಿತನ್ರಿ ಏನಾರ?
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ?
Sir, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಇರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ
Very good.
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಗುಣಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಲ್ರಿ, ಅದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಬರ್ದಿನಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂತಾರ. ಏನಂತಾರ? Okay, we call it as a number we have multiplied to the irrational number. ಯಾವ irrational number ನಾವ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ರಿ, that thing or that number is called as rationalizing factor. What we call for that?
Rationalizing factor.
Okay, now here rationalizing factor ant bantri, that is rationalizing factor. This rationalizing factor means, in short, we call it as RF. What call in short?
RF.
Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು RF ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, or else we sometime we call it as conjugate. What we call it as?
Conjugate.
Conjugate ಅಂತಾನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೀ. Here listen to me, I am repeating once again. Rationalization is nothing but where we are converting the irrational number, we are multiplying some another number so that it converts into a rational number. That is nothing but a rationalization, and the person or the one number we have multiplied to the irrational number to make it as a rational, that number is called as rationalizing factor. That in short we call it as RF, or else we also call it as a conjugate. Okay, now when we are talking about the rationalizing factor, there are two kinds of rationalizing factor what we have to learn in this 9th standard. For monomial, there is another kind of factors, and another set is binomial. So in monomials, see here, root of 2 is there. Okay, here we are finding the rationalizing factor of the monomial. So root 2 is monomial or not? Why? Because it is having only one term, so it is called as rationalizing. What we call it as? What we call them? Monomial. Since it is one side, we call it as a monomial. So in monomial, when we are writing the RF for the monomial, so what we are doing there, we are having a conversion of a irrational number to a rational number. So here when it is a case of a monomial, listen to me here now, that we are converting it into a rational number. When we are converting into a rational number, when it is a case for monomial, just multiply what it is. Listen to me, just multiply what it is. So the RF will be root 2. So what I have said you, that when you multiply to a irrational number, there is another number I am going to multiply, that is called as RF. What is the result? What is the result? Root into root.
Rational.
Result in
root 4.
ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Root 4.
Root 4. What is root
2,
4?
sir.
Yes, but what kind of number? What kind of a number it is?
Rational number.
Whether you are getting an idea now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If suppose if it is root 3, what is the RF of root 3?
Root 3.
Very good. What is RF of root A? Root A. Okay, listen now. Up to here, okay, keep quiet now. Up to here, see what I have did. We were having a coefficient unity. Unity means 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 2 ನಾಗು coefficient 1 ಇತ್ತು, root 3 ನಾಗು coefficient 1 ಇತ್ತು, root a ನಾಗು coefficient 1 ಇತ್ತು. Suppose if I take 3 root of 5, what will be its RF? Anybody?
3 root of 5.
3 root of 5.
No.
3 root of
This is
5.
wrong. Listen to me now. When in case of a monomial, when he has been asked about the RF, there is no need to write the coefficient. Bidbekri ille. What we have to leave here now? So what we have to leave? Coefficient. So what will be the RF?
Root 5.
Root 5.
A root of B. What is its RF? A root of B.
Root B.
Now you are getting my point. Very good. What is its answer? Root B. Suppose if it is root of A plus B, what is your answer?
Root A plus B.
Root A plus B.
Root A plus B.
Now 5 root of 7. What is your RF?
Root 7.
Root 7.
Okay, very good. Now let us see the different part that is related to the binomial. In binomial, it's little different. So in binomial, what we do is binomial ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದರದ್ದು RF ಕಂಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ RF ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ, here we need, listen to me carefully. When we are writing the RF for the binomial, one simple rule has to be applied. That is, you need to change the sign. ನಡು ಇರುವಂತ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ you will get the RF. I will tell you in detail how. See, so the RF will be root A minus root B. See, root of A plus root B is the irrational number. I need to multiply. Someone has on their microphone off ಮಾಡಿರ್ಪಾದನ. So root A minus root B, I am telling it is RF. So when you multiply this, in which form they are? ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಅವು? ಯಾವ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಅವು?
A
A
plus
plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? root A
square minus B square.
root B whole square is nothing but A minus B. A minus B is nothing but rational number. So this is how you are going to find, how you can say that this is nothing but the RF of this irrational number. Whether you got this? ತಿಳಿದ್ಯೋ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us take few more examples. Suppose if you have another example like root 6 minus root 3, what will be its RF, anyone? RF
Root 6
root
plus
six
root 3.
very good, Appigoda. Root 6 plus root 3, very good.
plus root 3.
Root 3 plus root 2, what will be its RF?
Root 3 minus
Very good, very good. Root 6 minus root 7.
root 6 minus
In plus or minus?
plus
Root 6 plus root of 7. Now see, up to here the binomials I have taken, their all coefficient is unit. It means the coefficient is 1. Now I am going to have some changes, that is 2 root A plus 3 root of B. Anybody can tell me the conjugate or RF of this third? ಈ ಒಂದು binomial ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ರಿ?
Root
Root A minus root B.
root A minus
root A minus
Listen
root
to me. Okay, when it is a case of a binomial, you have to include the coefficient. That is the change from the monomial to the binomials. Here you need to include the coefficients. Your conjugate will be 2 root of A minus 3 root of B. Hope you got this thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes,
because
sir.
we are here to now tell me the conjugate of this thing. ಈ example-
root of A plus root of 3.
root of 3.
Okay. A root of B minus plus C root of D. Tell me the conjugate.
Root
Anyone has to say. Anyone has to say.
A root of B minus
A root of B minus root of B minus root of B.
A root of B minus C root of D. Okay. So conjugate ಗೊತ್ತಾತಲ್ರಿ? Binomial, monomial.
Yes, sir.
This was all about today's class. So